At number 1, we have the Wrdlosy 55W HID Ballast, featuring an ultra-slim design and fast start technology for instant flicker-free lighting. Built tough with multiple protections, it's waterproof and durable for any environment. Compatible with most bulb types, its compact size makes installation a breeze. Top seller for a reason. Upgrade your headlights with Wrdlosy today. At number 2, we have the Innovited 55W Slim Digital HID Ballast. This ballast uses premium digital technology for a faster warm-up and brighter, more consistent illumination than standard ballasts. Built tough with a waterproof and shockproof housing, it handles extreme temperatures and vibrations. With universal compatibility and easy plug-and-play installation, it's perfect for your next DIY upgrade. Thousands of positive reviews, it's a bestseller for a reason. The Innovited ballast delivers performance you can count on.
Tired of dim headlights holding you back? Introducing the O-NEX AC 55W HID Ballast, engineered for unbeatable performance. Its ultra-slim, robust design ensures maximum efficiency, delivering stable power for brighter light and minimal flickering. Built with advanced safety protections, you can drive with confidence in any weather, knowing your system is secure. Highly compatible and easy to install, it's the trusted choice of car enthusiasts worldwide. Upgrade your ride with O-NEX.
At number 5, we have the Innovited 35W DC Slim Digital Ballast. It delivers efficient voltage conversion with digital control for precise power management, ensuring quick start and consistent brightness with minimal power draw. Its slim, waterproof construction resists moisture and vibration effectively, built to last in tough conditions. The easy plug-and-play design suits both professional and DIY installations, making setup a breeze. This model is a bestseller due to its unbeatable balance of performance, reliability, and competitive pricing. At number 4, we have the CHRYMUM 35W Ultrathin HID Ballast. This compact converter delivers up to 30% brighter light than your stock headlights for superior visibility. Its ultra-thin profile is perfect for space-constrained vehicles, installing easily without major modifications. With built-in safety protections and a universal fit, it's compatible with many car models and headlight types. No wonder it's a top choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliable quality performance. The CHRYMUM 35W Ballast.
At number 6, we have the generic universal 55W HID Ballast Kit. This versatile voltage converter set includes everything needed for a complete headlight upgrade. It supports fast ignition and delivers stable output for brighter, whiter light on the road. Built tough with comprehensive protection circuits, it performs reliably in the most demanding conditions. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles and bulb types, it's the perfect choice for your HID conversion. Massive purchase volume, it's a favorite among car modification enthusiasts. Upgrade your ride today.
At number 7, we have the DC 12V to 24V step-up voltage converter. Engineered for power and precision, this 95W converter is your solution for upgrading your vehicle's electrical system. Its high-efficiency aluminum housing with cooling fins ensures reliable performance even in the toughest conditions. Effortlessly convert your vehicle's 12V power supply to a stable 24V. Perfect for high-power devices. Ideal for powering LED or HID headlight systems, providing a brighter, safer drive. Built with a waterproof housing, it's ready for any adventure. Installation is quick and straightforward. Upgrade your ride with confidence. The DC 12V to 24V step-up converter.